When it comes to lowering cholesterol through diet, it can feel like a total minefield, can't it? One day it's cut out carbs, and the next it's eat more fibre, and then there's a new superfood that promises to fix everything. I'm Dr Kirstyn, a doctor turned fitness, nutrition and mindset coach, and this is day 2 of our 12 Days to a Healthier Heart series. Today we're moving from theory to practice. We're talking about food, specifically how to eat it in a way that supports your heart without overcomplicating things. Nutrition advice can be noisy, but eating for heart health doesn't have to be complicated. Most of my clients feel relieved when they see how simple it is once you strip back the fads. The foundation that I teach is the balance plate principle. Here's how it looks, and you can picture this every time you build a meal. Half your plate is fruits and vegetables, a quarter protein, and a quarter carbohydrates. That's it. Simple, visual, powerful. But why does it work? Well, half a plate of plants gives you fibre, vitamins and antioxidants. Fibre acts like a sponge, helping carry excess cholesterol out of the body, while colourful fruit and vegetables protect your blood vessels. Protein helps you stay fuller for longer and stabilises blood sugar. Choose chicken, fish, beans, lentils, tofu or eggs to keep saturated fat in check. For carbs, go whole grain. Oats, brown rice, wholemeal bread or potatoes with the skin on for steady energy and extra fibre. A proven ally for lowering cholesterol. Most people manage this at dinner. Some protein, some carbs, veg on the side, but breakfast and lunch are where things slip. A classic bowl of cereal, well, that's mostly refined carbs, low in fibre and protein. You'll likely be hungry within an hour with a blood sugar spike and crash. Try oats with Greek yogurt for protein, topped with berries or banana for fibre, and plants in one bowl. If you prefer savoury, eggs on whole grain toast with spinach or tomatoes is a perfect balanced breakfast. Lunch can be another trap. A white bread sandwich with minimal filling is mostly refined carbs. Switch to whole grain, add lean protein like chicken, tuna, eggs or hummus, and load up on salad or veg. You've turned a beige lunch into heart health support. If you're a soup or salad person, same principle. Half plants, quarter protein, a quarter carbs. A lentil soup with whole grain toast or a chickpea salad with quinoa both tick every box. The best part is you don't need to measure, count or give up your favourites. Use your plate as a visual guide. Over time, your meals naturally fall into balance. No calorie counting, no guilt, no overthinking. That's what makes it sustainable and why it sticks long term. Your takeaway for today is simple. Next time you sit down to eat, pause and ask, does this look like half plants, a quarter protein, a quarter carbs? If not, what's one small tweak you could make to make it better balanced? Make sure you hit subscribe because tomorrow we're talking fats, what to choose and what to limit. I'll see you then.